Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Ariyannah here.
I know this intro is like the Vlogmas intro, but I'm not redoing a new intro until next year, January 1st. So y'all gonna keep seeing this Vlogmas intro for the rest of December because it's still Christmas time. Even though I feel Vlogmas, it's okay. But yeah, this is why you're still gonna see the same intro and the same outro for Vlogmas. But just ignore it because Vlogmas is over with. So yeah, but I'm gonna be posting like a couple more videos with his intro. But starting January 1st, you will see a new intro. So, yeah.
Today's video, I'm going to be installing this closure wig. And, you know, you're about to see the process of why it looks like why it is. So, make sure you keep watching. Make sure you subscribe. Turn on post notifications right now. And let's get into the video. Bro, I look like an egg. Oh my god. Hey guys, I'm about to install this wig. Yeah, that's about it. So I'm going on a trip next week to Florida, and this is my hairstyle. So if this doesn't turn out right, it's gonna be a big problem. But I am installing this closure wig. Let me show you. My aunt gave it to me. I colored it and everything yesterday. Now the color situation kind of, I guess my eye. The color situation kind of turned out bad because it was supposed to be brown with highlights, but I guess the wig was dyed before, so it ended up being like brown with like pink highlights because it started turning pink, which is not bad, but you know, I had a little moment there. So we're about to install that in my head. I got everything. I installed wigs before, but it was frontal wigs, not closures. So this is a first. I watched videos on how to install a closure wig. It's like a frontal, but just like not as much of a process because you don't have the whole forehead. I don't know. But I got everything and we're about to just install this. I'm about to do this wig cap. Okay, we're not gonna pull it down so much, just like right there. Where my scissors go? Hold on. Hey, I'm back. I got my scissors. I'm about to cut out my ear holes. Oh, this don't turn out bad. First step, we're gonna spray the Ebin. I'm making a TikTok too, so. First, we're about to spray this Ebin lace wig thingy. I usually use Got To Be, but all the wig girlies been using it, so we're about to just spray this like right here in this little area. Ooh, got in my eye. So hopefully this be laid down right. Let's blow dry it now. Okay, y'all, I think it should be like kind of dry now. I'm about to cut it. Okay, I think
Literally dying laughing at this, but I don't know why I just paused like that. Like that was something so weird.
I'm trying to make sure this doesn't turn out bad, so I'm trying to take my time and everything. This TikTok, I have this lace tint spray that I'm gonna spray my wig cap instead. This still stink. Alright, y'all, this probably isn't the brightest idea, but I'm about to use this plastic knife because I don't want to use my comb and it gets all sticky again. Okay, let's go with this bowl hold. Okay, glue is on. I'm gonna spread it out. And remember, if you're doing a wig, let it dry clear. Just let it go at its own speed and dry clear. Y'all, what if I become a wig influencer? That'd be pretty cool. Let's talk about how I failed Vlogmas. Like, I mean, of course it was my first time, so like, you know, props to me for even trying, but like, boy, did I fail pretty badly. I failed bad, and You know, I was kind of upset at first, but the only reason I failed is because I have been working. Like, I was working pretty hard for this money for this trip. So, you know, yeah, getting this bread. So I couldn't vlog every day and post every day because it was just a long process. Okay. Wait till dry clear. I feel like this might turn out good, and I'm excited because if it does, I'm gonna be so happy. It's kind of plucked and stuff, so yeah, I'm gonna use some concealer to like highlight the part because it's pretty dark. But other than that, I think I did good. The coloring, like, it's like some pink on this side, if you can see it. I think this side has more pink. Like, you see that pink? I straightened it just because I didn't want it to oh, let me clip it. I'm gonna clip some back so it don't get in the way, but I'm gluing this hair down. My birthday in like 2 weeks, and I think I'm gonna use the same wig, but I'm gonna dye it black. So I think like that'd be exciting. I'll get back to y'all when I'm done applying all this glue, so we don't have to be sitting here. So yeah. All right, y'all. The wig, the lace glue is drying down. We're gonna do it now. Pull it forward. Okay, so we about to tie this down real quick. Let me pull up my hair. I have to hot comb this back. Hopefully it's like plucked good enough. I don't know if I need to pluck it anymore. I don't think I need to, but just to make sure, we gonna do a little something. Okay, I'm gonna take the elastic band off and then cut it and do what I need to do. Let me just pin this hair back. I don't wanna mess it up. Just pin it back. So far so good, but I'm not about to keep saying all the good things that's going right, because then something is going to go wrong and I don't have time for that. So because we're gonna tie it back down once I do the edges and everything. Okay, we good. You know, it's a little glue, but it's okay. This already got the TikTok going. I am just dropping stuff. Y'all, it's going good. Okay, let me take the clips out because the clips is making it look bad because my hair is pulled back. I'm really proud of myself because usually when I do wig installs, they don't be this good. Let me turn the camera down so you can't see. Now this wig isn't bomb to where I can do a no edges look, cause baby, no. But it's good enough to where like it don't look that bad. Yeah, I'm getting excited. Okay, let's pull out these edges. So okay, y'all, we got the edges and I'm about to try to curl them and everything. I got these little tiny flat irons. I got this mousse and we're about to try to lay down these edges, okay? It looks like it might be working. It looked like we might have some edges.
2 hours later.
Okay, I'm back. I feel like the part looks better. Okay, y'all, I think it might turn out okay. I'm trying to debate what I want to do with it because it is long. I'm trying to think if I should curl it or try to like curl it with my strainers, which I might do. Actually, I'm gonna try to straighten it. I mean, not straighten it, curl it with my strainers because I think I accidentally threw away my curling irons. So yeah. Okay, I'm about to clean up my mess though while this band is on. Let me just spray this before I strain it. Okay, let me clean up and I'll be back. Okay, y'all. I'm done with it. It doesn't look that bad, but my edges are turning green, and I think it's because the hair was bleached before or something. I don't know what's going on, but it don't look that bad. It's just literally the edges as usual. So I sent the picture to like my mom and aunt, and they about to try to like come up with something I could do to like not make it green, because no matter how much makeup I put on it, it still looks green. So yeah, this is just the end of the video. I tried to wand curl it a little bit. I got these big old wand curlers and they literally don't curl for real. Like, ooh, it's hot. They don't curl for real. So yeah, I was trying to curl it, but the lace look good. Like, I snapped on this lace. I couldn't even lie. I snapped on this lace. Period. I just hate that it's a closure, so I can't, like, you know, put the ear behind. But it's cute. If this is a green wig, this will look fantastic. But yeah, you can see the peekaboo. You can see the peekaboo pink in it a little bit. But yeah, I need to just fix these edges, because why is it green? Like, boy. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like, a thumbs up, comment down below, and I will see you guys next time whenever I post.